Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss again in the same series how to make money. And here we are going to discuss again a new topic. And this again very interesting topic because most of the people even already they have might have planned or already they are planning to purchase, or maybe they have already even taken this a brand new a luxury car or any set of car. So buying a luxury car, there is a cost. So what are the things, even though somebody is going to purchase, when already, let's say somebody already purchased even a new car, even a brand new car, even any set of car, maybe a luxury car, maybe a mediocre car, or maybe even high brand car, whatever, even a imported car. So what is the first thing actually you need to do? You have to decide only three things. First is the budget of this car. Second, how much I am going to pay even from my pocket. And the third thing is I'm going to take even a loan from any kind of financial institute. So this is a very normal way even somebody even choosing for a car, or let's say somebody is looking for a luxury car, even somebody is planning to buy even purchase even a car, I mean any kind of vehicle like this. So definitely they might have planned and they have already decided even about these three things. But I'm not stopping. Yes, anyone, if you're looking for the same thing, you have to do the like whatever the three things already you have spoken. So you have to go through even all the three ways immediately. But what we are discussing over here, this is all about, yes, I'm not stopping somebody to purchase a new car. I'm not stopping somebody to get a brand or maybe get a even a luxury car. But what exactly we are going to discuss over here, how you can even save your money, even though if you want to purchase a car, even you can save your money. What I mean to say, that saving your emi, saving your entire money, what exactly you are going to pay, let's say even to the financial institute. So let's understand this concept first. So today, let's say if I'm going to choose any kind of car, if I'm going to purchase even any kind of car, whatever luxury mediocre, as I told you, so let's say my car price, it will be around 10 lakhs or maybe 15 lakhs or maybe 20 lakhs, whatever, based on my budget. Even it could be even 1 crore also. But what I mean to say, based on your budget, based on your requirement, so you are first going to decide your budget, 10, 20, 50, 1 crore, whatever it is. Now, as I told you, the second thing, how much I can pay from my pocket means my saving. So when I'm talking about my savings, and if I'm going to pay it as a down payment, typically you might be knowing it is called your down payment. If I'm going to do that only, so definitely I'm going to take my savings and that money, whatever 10%, 20%, whatever I'm going to pay towards buying this car or purchasing this car, so that I'm going to put even into this. So my savings also gone. So let's say I'm going to put, let's say, around 5 lakhs. So this 5 lakhs, whatever I had as savings, so that savings also gone. And again, the third point, as I discussed, so again, I have to take, let's say, a financial institute. I have to borrow the remaining 15 lakhs, or maybe remaining 45 lakhs, or maybe remaining 95 lakhs, even from this bank itself. And there I have to pay the EMI. As you know, there will be a car EMI, even based on the rate of interest. It depends on which brand, even what set of car, what exactly the bank of rate of interest for this particular bank or maybe the financial institute. So based on that one, I need to pay EMI each and every month. So what is EMI? That already you have discussed in my EMI video. You can just go watch and then you can come back to this video so that you will have a better clarity of what exactly the EMI and how exactly the combination of this EMI, what exactly you're going to pay from your pocket. So one way I'm going to pay my down payment, as I told you, let's say if I take an example of 5 lakhs, and the EMI, what I'm going to pay, let's say remaining 5 years, 7 years, or maybe beyond that, whatever your plan, whatever the schedule you have already taken, tenure you have taken with the bank or financial institute. So if you put together both the things, 5 lakhs, again, let's say my uh, EMI amount, it is exactly almost coming around double amount, almost what exactly you are going to pay towards even your car. So if I'm going to purchase, let's say, a 10 lakhs car, it will be almost even near about almost my 17 to 18 lakhs. Or maybe if I'm going to purchase even a 50 lakhs car, it will be almost even my, even like, 20, 30, 40% even above of this. Now, why we are here to save money in this discussion? How can I save money and also I can purchase my car also, even though whatever brand. So how it is possible? Without touching your savings, even without even taking a EMI, you can purchase even a brand new car even by your own money itself. So both way again, you are going to save your money. I'm not going to even pay my down payment, which is already saved amount. And again, I'm not going to waste my money even towards paying this EMI also. Sounds good. So for that, what you need to do, let's say I have already purchased even a couple of years back. Or let's say today, if I'm planning, let's say to purchase even a car, let's say after 5 years or maybe after 10 years. Either it will be already I have planned 5 years, 10 years back, or maybe today if I'm planning for this same. So I need to plan, let's say for another 5 years, even for the 10 years. So what I need to do, half of this amount, let's say I need to invest. Tools, already couple of tools already have discussed. Any tool based on your requirement, you can take it. So let's say I'm just taking a simple example. Let's say for a lump sum amount, I'm just going to keep, let's say, for a systematic investment plan, which is typically my mutual fund plan, a lump sum amount in my mutual fund amount. So systematic investment plan already you have discussed. It is monthly. You have to choose. Either I can choose for that one, even though let's say if I'm taking for a 5 years, 10 years plan. So let's say I know my car price will be this much, and if I pay even this much even per month as a systematic investment plan, so my money will grow up, and that will give me a corpus. And based on that corpus, even you can also 30, 40, 50, whatever percentage even in your car price, that you can pay it one shot, no EMI, no even your down payment, even one shot you can clear everything, and it will be your brand new car. And that money, it will be exactly coming from your mutual fund investment. Similarly, for your lump sum amount, I don't want to go for SIP, I want to go for a lump sum amount. So that also you can keep it, let's say 1 lakh, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, whatever you are going to pay today, whatever you are going to invest in the lump sum amount today, that money, let's say over a period of 5 years, over a period of 10 years, that money at least it will be you three times or maybe four times whatever you have invested even today, based on even 10 to 15% even rate of interest. If I talk the returns, if you are going to get, so what is happening, I'm going to save my own money. I'm not going to pay even immediate my savings amount, that is as a down payment, and I'm not going to borrow this money even from any of the bank, and not even landing paying the trade of interest even towards the bank, which will be a hefty amount. At end of the day, if I even purchase a 10 lakh or 20 lakh or 50 lakhs or 1 crore car, maybe 30, 40, 50, even 60%, I no need to pay even extra even from my pocket. And that way I can save money. That way I would have been planned. That way I can plan. And probably I'll be landing even a brand new car, whatever brand, whatever even luxury car, my own money, and without wasting, without even disturbing any of my savings. Right? So again, same thing. Any other queries, any kind of other even additional things, if you want to discuss, definitely you're always welcome to my chat box. Always welcome to my mailbox. I'm just waiting for your queries. Thanks. Thanks for watching.
Every night, I we paradise, paradise seems so far away.